Okay, so here we are in our creating an opt-in form in our list building training. And in the last video, we should have created an Aweber account. So you should have got signed up for Aweber, and you should have logged into your back office, and it should look something like this, or just like this. So what we're going to do here, it's going to be a pretty simple video. And what we're going to do is just create a basic sign up form. So go ahead and log into your Aweber account if you're not, and click on sign up form or sign up forms. And what it's going to say is create a sign up form, and don't worry about any of this stuff. You can integrate all this stuff with Aweber, but don't worry about that. Just click on create a sign up form, and it's going to say on a landing page or for my website. Go ahead and click for my website. And what's going to happen here is it's going to load this design thing. All right, and up at the top here, you have a template gallery. And with this template gallery, you can kind of look at some of these different sign up forms. All right, this is a simple one right here. So you could just add to this. You could add pictures into it. You could change the color of this header. You could remove these. There's a lot of different stuff you can do here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click show more and pick out a template, and it's going to show all these different templates you can choose from. So take your time and kind of look through these, and remember they're highly editable, so you can edit them very easily. I'm going to click popular, and this one right here is one that I like to use. It's called modern. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that and click load template. Now when this comes up, as you can see, you could pick different colors, and we're going to change these anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but go ahead and click load. And as you can see, you have your template down here. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is, if you look at the top here, these are all the different things that you can edit your template with. You can add images, text, a divider, and you can remove your privacy policies and all sorts of different stuff. And if you come down here to form type and click on this arrow, these are all the different functions for your registry form or sign up form. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on header. Okay, and what we're going to do here is, maybe we don't like this background, and if you want, you can click on this and you can change it to different colors, or you can come down here and click image gallery and upload an image. And I think that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and upload an image. And I'm just going to put this sky in there. See if that looks any good. It looks alright. Let's go down here to our footer now. Maybe we want to do the same thing and put it in there as well. Make this a little bigger maybe. Right, so let's go up here and click on header. Let's just click on this. And as you can see, we can put some text in here now. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's center that. And let's just do enter Okay, enter name and email to attend our weekly meetings. As you can see, it's coming up here. It's really small, the text. So what we're going to do here is change the size. Make this a little bit bigger. That looks okay. Maybe a little smaller. And let's change our font family maybe. And let's also change the color. So you can see this. Let's make it kind of a darker blue, I guess. Click Save Filled. Now as you can see, you can move this thing to make it wider. And as you can see, we have a little opt-in form that says, hey, enter name and email to attend our weekly meetings. Now this can be for anything. Enter your name and email to get your free ebook. Enter your name and email to sign up for our weekly or monthly newsletter. Whatever you want to do here. Enter name and email to access your download, whatever you want to do. But since this is training and we're doing weekly meetings here, it kind of goes along with what our site is, our training site. What we're going to do here is create a weekly meetings thing. Now what's going to happen is we're going to display this on your website. Okay, so let's go ahead and click Save Form. And wherever you display this on your website, you can put this anywhere you want on your website. On a widget, on your front page, anywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go display this on our website. And go ahead and play around with this, by the way. If you wanted to come in here to maybe the body, and maybe put another image in. Yeah, I guess it looks okay. Could leave it like that. Or if you wanted to, you could go to add an image. And let's upload one. I think I made one. I have one on the desktop, so we're probably, yeah. Right here. And go ahead and Photoshop an image if you'd like and upload it. And you can just click it and it's just going to show up right in your responder. Okay. So you could do whatever you want to do here. I'm going to take this image out because that was just an example. I want it to be more basic. Let's take it out. Still looks fine. Okay. But you could always put that image back in later. You could delete these if you want, or respect your email privacy. Powered by Weber, you can delete these, do whatever you want. But we're going to go to step 2 now, since we got this looking decent. And go ahead and do this if you want, or come back and watch the movie, or the movie, watch the video and do it. You know, redo it and pause it, or however you feel comfortable. But you can take your time with this, check out your different templates and some of the different functions that it does. But what we're going to do now that we got this looking decent, pretty good, let's go to step 2. And it's going to prompt you to name it. It's going to say my web form. So let's go ahead and name this example form. And here we're just going to leave this on basic thank you page. But if you wanted to, you can click on this and go to custom page, and you can make your own WordPress page where it says, hey, access your download, or thank you for registering, make sure to check your email. And that's basically what this basic page is going to say. Check your email. But if you want, you could put in a WordPress page and link it to the WordPress page. And what it's going to do is send them an email when they sign up saying, please confirm your email. So they're going to get a confirmation email, and this thank you page could send them where you could send them wherever you want. A WordPress page, you can make your own thank you page, you could send them to a download, or whatever you want to do here. A page where they can download a book or a product or something, whatever you want to do. But we're going to do basic. And if you're doing an ebook or something, there's another way to do that as well. So this will say thank you, and then when they activate their email, And we're going to show you how to do this, by the way, in the membership training. So I wouldn't worry about this for right now because we're going to get into more detail. But what you do basically is when you have them on their email list is you'll set up an automatic message. So it's going to automatically send them a message after they sign up. And in that message, it'll have a link where they can access their ebook or whatever it is they signed up for. So basically you want them confirming their email before they get their product so that you have them on their list or whatever it is you're doing. And we'll show you how to do that in the membership training. But for now, just do your basic one. Okay. So let's go ahead and click Save Form. Now we've named it. And let's go ahead and go to step 3. And what that's going to say is, see, there's 3 different steps: design, settings, and publish. And you can always go back and through these. Okay, but what it's going to do is say, who will publish this form for your website? You're going to click I will install it. And you're going to click this. And if it's all highlighted, copy it. And this code you can put anywhere in your website and your form's going to show up. So for example, if you wanted to come in here and say, hey, this button's pretty cool, but maybe we should put a sign up form in here. Well, just go ahead and come on in here to your dashboard and your page. And what we're going to do here is go to Home Page. And we're going to replace this with a sign-up form, the one we just created. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to delete this element entirely. And we're going to click element again and create a new one. And what we're going to do is click this code block right here where it says code block. And just click it. And we're going to put that code right into that code block, into this section right here. Then we're going to click Save. And then we're going to click Update. And once it's done saving, we're going to reload this. And what should happen is that form should show up right here. And now maybe you could put this picture on the bottom or something. Whatever you want to do, or just not use it because they're already signing up. It's already getting them on the email list. So let's go ahead and reload this. Okay, looks all right. So now we have our little name and email list. Enter name and email to attend our weekly meetings. Someone might go, hey, that's pretty cool. I'll check that out. Still a little long, so I'm going to make it a little wider. So we can go back here to design up here and pull this out a little bit and click Save. Let's go ahead and reload it and see if that makes it a little wider. Yeah. Okay. So I think that looks a little better. It's a little wider, more prompting, more inviting, I guess. Okay, and that is how you make an email form. So now when somebody comes to your website and they say, hey, I want to go to a weekly meeting, boom, you got their email. And then what you'll do is once they're on your list, they're going to go here to subscribers, and you can send them messages. And we're going to show you how to send a message. You could. There's a couple ways to do this, and we'll show you in the other video, in a couple videos from now. And we'll show you how to do this. But basically what will happen is they'll be on your list, and then you'll send them a message. And it's going to say, okay, here's your weekly meeting times. Here's the link to access your meetings when you set up your meetings or wherever you want to do that. And it's going to, in the follow-up message, that's where they're going to get access to whatever they signed up for, generally. Okay, and we'll get into more detail in the membership training. But for now, you just want to get them on your list, get them to confirm it, and send them their ebook or their meeting time or their monthly newsletters or whatever it is on your messages in a follow-up. Okay? And we're going to teach you how to do that in a couple videos from now. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. And it's really simple to do. If you wanted to, you could put this in a widget down here. Just click code and put it in a widget and it'll show up here. Or wherever you want on your website. You just put it in that code box and it's just going to pop up right wherever you put it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Go ahead and create your sign up form. Just click sign up forms. Click add new. Create a sign up form. Click for my website. And then go in there and pick out your template and design the different areas of it. Maybe put a background in it, different colors, whatever you want to do there. And this little arrow is where you click to access these different areas. And you can access some of them up here too. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and play with this and get your list or your sign up form ready and set up. Save it. Okay, go to step 2 and name it. Don't forget to name it. Leave your base thank you page to basic, and we'll do another training on how to link this to products and stuff. But basic is fine, or make your own thank you page. But basic for now. Save it. Go to step 3. Click on I will install my form. Grab this code, and you can put this code anywhere on your site. Just create a code block. Just put it in there and it'll pop right up. Simple as could be. Okay, really easy. It's kind of a fun thing to do, kind of a fun little process. So make sure to enjoy it and get you a nice little opt-in box set up. Save it, put it on your website, and go ahead and move to the next video.